Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off screenshot floating window in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. First of all, I'm going to show what is floating window. First, take a screenshot in your phone. Okay, I am taking a screenshot with 3 fingers swiping down. While taking a screenshot, a window will appear. Okay, this is called floating window. After capturing image, window will appear in the bottom left side. Okay, see here. This is called floating window. Okay, if you click on it, that particular screenshot will be open. Okay, if you would like to turn off this floating window, yes, you can do it. What you got to do is go to the settings of your phone here. Go to settings, then go to shortcuts and accessibility, and here click on escape chart, and here just turn off this button, screenshot floating window. A floating window appears after you take a screenshot. You can use it to quickly share or edit your screenshot. Okay, suppose if you don't like this floating window, just turn off this button and try to take a screenshot hereafter, and you will not get floating window. Okay, directly it will be saved to the local gallery, and you can go there to access the screenshot. Okay, so in this way you can easily turn off floating window, screenshot floating window in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye. 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 Bye.